What if trading bots also came with protection? Meet BingX Bots Subsidy Voucher, a safety net for your bot trades. It helps you cover losses on any BingX bot strategy, including Futures Grid and Martingale, up to the value of the voucher. Open your BingX app, tap your avatar. Select Vouchers, and pick a Bots Subsidy Voucher. Go to Bots, and pick a strategy. Set your parameters and tap Create. Once you create your strategy, the voucher starts working automatically. If you incur a loss, you'll be reimbursed after the strategy closes, up to the voucher value. Each voucher can only be used once for one bot strategy and can't be reused. Keep an eye out for our promotional events to grab more Bots Subsidy Vouchers. Happy bot trading!